नमो नमः। नवमी कक्षा नवमः पाठः अमरकोशः। संस्कृत भाषा अतीव समृद्धा भाषा। The Sanskrit language is very rich language. एकस्य शब्दस्य भवन्ति नैके समानार्थक शब्दाः. A single word has several synonyms. क्वचित् एकस्य शब्दस्य विविधाः अर्थाः अपि भवन्ति. Sometimes a single word has several meanings too. अध्येतॄणां सुखबोधाय समानार्थक शब्दानां पद्यमयीं रचनां कृत्वा पंडित अमरसिंहेन अमरकोशः ग्रथितः. For easy comprehension of the learners, Amarsinha, having made a metrical composition of synonyms words, has composed Amarakoshः. अमरकोश पठनेन कंठस्थीकरणेन च शब्दज्ञानं भवति. By reading अमरकोशः and by learning by heart, one has the knowledge of words. विविधा शब्दानां वाक्येन प्रयोगेण शब्दप्रभुत्वं सिद्ध्यति. By the use of several words in a sentence, one achieve mastery on words. यथेष्टं गृह्णन्तु शब्दरत्नानि अस्मात् शब्दरत्नाकारात्. Learners may take to their fill gems in the form of words from the collection of gems of words. अमरकोश प्रशंसः, the praise of अमरकोश. कबीर अमरसिंहस्य कृतिरेषा सुनिर्मला अचन्द्रतारकं स्थेयात् नामालिङ्गानुशासनम्. Means नामालिङ्गानुशासनम्, which is the immaculate composition of the poet Amarasingha, would stand so long as there are the moon and stars. So let us start. अमरकोशः. छात्राः ग्रन्थालये विविधानि पुस्तकानि पश्यन्ति. अध्यापिकां प्रश्नान् पृच्छन्ति. छात्राः means students. ग्रन्थालय means library. विविधानि different. पुस्तकानि means books. पश्यन्ति see. अध्यापिकां teacher. प्रश्नान् means question. पृच्छन्ति means ask. Means student refer to several books in the library and ask the teacher a number of questions. नयनः. आचार्ये का एषा भिन्नाः विशालाः कपटिका? अहो कियन्तः विविधाः कोशाः एतस्यां वर्तन्ते. आचार्य means teacher. एषः means this. भिन्नाः means separate. विशाला means huge. कपटिका cupboard. अहो means oh. विविधाः means different. कोशाः dictionary. Okay. Means आचार्ये का एषा भिन्नाः विशालाः कपटिका? Teacher, what is this separate huge cupboard? Oh, कियन्तं विविधाः कोशाः एतस्य वर्तन्ते. Oh, how many different koshas are there in it? अध्यापिका, आम्. सर्वेषां शास्त्राणाम् अध्ययनार्थम् एते कोशाः आवश्यकाः. आम् means yes. सर्वेषां means all. शास्त्राणां science. अध्ययनं means study. कोशाः dictionary. आवश्यकाः necessary. आम् सर्वेषां शास्त्राणाम् अध्ययनार्थम् एते कोशाः आवश्यकाः. Yes, these koshas are necessary for the study of all sciences. सुमेधा, कोशः नाम किम्? कोशः means dictionary. सुमेधा, कोशः नाम किम्? What is a kosha? Glossary. ग्रंथालयः library. भिन्नाः different. कपाटिका cupboard. आम् yes. एषा this. विशालः large. कोशः dictionaries. आवश्यकः necessary. Translation. Students refer to several books in the library and ask the teacher a number of questions. Nayanah, teacher, what is this separate huge cupboard? Oh, how many different koshas are there in it? Teacher said, yes, these koshas are necessary for the study of all sciences. Sumedha said, what is a kosha? अध्यापिका, कोशः नाम संग्रहः. यथा वयं वित्तकोशे धनस्य संग्रहं कुर्मः तथैव भाषाकोशे शब्दानां संग्रहः भवति. कोशः means dictionary. संग्रहः means collection. वयं means we. वित्तकोशे means bank. धन means wealth. तथैव means similarly. भाषाकोशे means कोशा of language. शब्दानां संग्रह means collection of words. Okay. कोशः नाम संग्रह means a kosha is a collection. यथा वयं वित्तकोशे धनस्य सङ्ग्रहणं कुर्मः तथैव भाषाकोशे शब्दानां सङ्ग्रहः भवति. As we deposit wealth in the kosha of wealth, in the same way, in the kosha of language, there is a collection of words. Shreya, कः तस्य उपयोगः? कः तस्य उपयोगः? उपयोगः means use. What is the use of it? अध्यापिका, सुयोग्यः प्रश्नः. सम्भाषणे लेखने च भाषाप्रभुत्वं प्राप्त्यर्थं तथैव नैकेषां विषयाणां ज्ञानप्राप्त्यर्थं शब्दसम्पत्तेः सङ्ग्रहणम् अतीव आवश्यकम्. अस्माकं ग्रन्थालये संस्कृतिकोशाः, चरित्रकोशाः, विश्वकोशाः, सुभाषितकोशाः च इत्यादयः बहवः कोशाः वर्तन्ते. तेषु अमरकोशः नाम कश्चन विशेषः कोशः. सुयोग्यः प्रश्नः means apt question. संभाषणे means conversation. लेखने means writing. भाषा प्रभुत्वम means achieving proficiency of language. नैकेषां means many. विषयाणां means subject. ज्ञानप्राप्त्यर्थम means obtaining the knowledge. शब्द संपत्ते means wealth of words. संग्रहणम means collection. अतीव आवश्यकम means extremely necessary. अस्माकं ग्रंथालये संस्कृतिकोशः, चरित्रकोशः, विश्वकोशः, सुभाषितकोशः च इत्यादयः बहवः means many. कोशः means dictionary. तेषु अमरकोशः नाम कश्चन विशेषः कोशः means special dictionary. Okay, so सुयोग्यः प्रश्नः, a very apt question. संभाषणे लेखने च भाषाप्रभुत्वं प्राप्त्यर्थं तथैव नैकेषां विषयाणां ज्ञानप्राप्त्यर्थं शब्दसम्पत्तेः सङ्ग्रहणम् अतीव आवश्यकम्. The collection of the wealth of words is extremely necessary for obtaining the knowledge of a many subject. In the same way, for achieving proficiency of language in conversation and writing. अस्माकं ग्रंथालये संस्कृतिकोशः, चरित्रकोशः, विश्वकोशः, सुभाषितकोशः च इत्यादयः बहवः कोशाः वर्तन्ते. In a library, there is many such कोशाः such as संस्कृतिकोशः, चरित्रकोशः, विश्वकोशः, सुभाषितकोशः. तेषु अमरकोश नाम कश्चन विशेषकोशः. Amongst them, there is a certain special kosha named अमरकोश. स्वप्नीलः, अमरकोशः इति नाम किमर्थम्? किं विद्यते अस्मिन् कोशे? Swapnil said, अमरकोश इति नाम किमर्थम्? Why the name अमरकोश? किं विद्यते अस्मिन् कोशे? What is there in the kosha? Glossary. संग्रहः means collection. वित्तकोशः means bank. भाषाकोशः कोश of language. संभाषणं conversation. भाषा प्रभुत्वम proficiency of language. तथैव similarly. Translation. Teacher said, a kosha is a collection. As we deposit wealth in the bank, in the same way, in a kosha of language, there is a collection of words. Shreya, what is the use of it? Teacher, a very apt question. The collection of the wealth of word is extremely necessary for obtaining the knowledge of many a subject. In the same way, for achieving proficiency on language in conversation and writing. In a library, there is a many a kosha such as Sanskriti kosha, Charitra kosha, Vishwa kosha, Subhashita koshas. Amongst them, there is a certain special kosha named Amarakosha. Swapnil said, Amarakosha? Why the name Amarakosha? What is there in this kosha? अध्यापिका, एषः संस्कृतशब्दानां सङ्ग्रहग्रन्थः. सङ्ग्रहग्रन्थः means book of collection. संस्कृतशब्दानां means word in Sanskrit. अमरसिंह नाम पंडित एतस्य रचयिता. पंडितः means scholar. रचयिता means composer. अतः कोशस्य नाम अमरकोश इति. पुरातनकाले means ancient time. यदा छात्रः, छात्रा means student. Yada means when. Adhyanaartham means study. Gurukulam pravishanti, pravishanti means enter. Tada adhyanarambhe te amarakosham kanthastham kurvanti. Kanthastham means by heart. Adhuna means now. Api tathaiva pravartate means एषः संस्कृत शब्दानां संग्रह ग्रंथः. This is a book of collection of word in Sanskrit. अमरसिंहः नाम पंडितः एतस्य रचयिता. An erudite name Amarasingha was its compiler. अतः कोशस्य नाम अमरकोशः इति. Hence the name of the kosha is Amarakosha. पुरातनकाले यदा छात्राः अध्ययनार्थं गुरुकुलं प्रविशन्ति स्म तदा अध्ययनारम्भे ते अमरकोशं कंठस्थं कुर्वन्ति स्म. In ancient time, when a student used to enter the Gurukul for the sake of study, at the commencement, they used to learn Amarkosha by heart. Adhuna api tatheva pravartate. Even at present, the same prevails. Arya, Saschcharyam, amazed. Kim koshah kanthasthi kartum shakya? Shakya means possible. Is it possible to learn a kosha by heart? Tenah kah labhah bhavanti? Labhah means advantage. Tena kah labhah bhavanti? What is the advantage thereby? Teacher. Atha kim? Oh, sure. Padyamayah eshah granthah geyah. Padyamayah means metrical composition. Eshah granthaha means this book. Geyah means chanted. Atah श्लोकानां सुभाषितानां पठनम इव तस्य कंठस्थीकरणम अतीव सुलभम. अतः means therefore. श्लोकानां, श्लोक means verses. सुभाषितानां पठनम, पठनम means reading. तस्य कंठस्थीकरणम, कंठस्थीकरणम means by hearting. अतीव सुलभम, अतीव सुलभम means very easy. तत्र एकस्य शब्दस्य कृते नैके समानार्थक शब्दाः. एकस्य means only one, शब्दः means word. नैके means many, समानार्थक शब्दाः means synonyms. Here there are many synonyms for the single words. क्वचित् एकस्य शब्दस्य नैके भिन्नाः अर्थाः अपि वर्तन्ते. क्वचित् at some place. एकस्य शब्दस्य नैके भिन्नाः अर्थाः, भिन्नाः means different, अर्थाः means meaning, अपि वर्तन्ते. Here there are many synonyms for a single word. अतः तस्य पठनेन अस्माकं शब्दसम्पत्ति वृद्धिं गच्छति. अतः so तस्य पठनेन means by reading it. शब्दसम्पत्ति means vocabulary. वृद्धिं means increase. गच्छति. अतः तस्य पठनेन अस्माकं शब्दसम्पत्तिं वृद्धिं गच्छति. Hence by reading it our vocabulary enhances. अस्माकं स्मरणशक्तिः धारणाशक्तिः च वर्धते. अस्माकं means our, स्मरणशक्ति means memory, धारणाशक्ति means capacity, च वर्धते, वर्धते means increase. उच्चारणमपि शुद्धं भवति. उच्चारणं means pronunciation. शुद्धं भवति. अस्माकं स्मरणशक्ति धारणाशक्ति च वर्धते. उच्चारणमपि शुद्धं भवति. Means our memory and capacity to hold words in memory also develop. Even the pronunciation become flawless. नयनः, वयमपि अमरकोशं कंठस्थं कुर्मः. तस्मिन् कति श्लोकाः सन्ति? वयमपि. वयमपि means we too. अमरकोशं कंठस्थं, कंठस्थं means by heart. तस्मिन् कति श्लोकाः सन्ति? श्लोकाः means verses. वयमपि अमरकोश कंठस्थं कुर्याम. तस्मिन् कति श्लोकाः सन्ति? We too shall learn Amarkosha by heart. How many verses are there in it? Glossary. Panditah, scholar. Puratana kale, in ancient times. Pravishanti, enter. कंठस्थ बाय हार्ट, सुलभम इजी, शब्द संपत्ति वोकैबुलरी, स्मरण शक्ति मेमोरी, धारणा शक्ति द कैपेसिटी. Translation. Teacher, this is a book collection of words in Sanskrit. An erudite named Amarakosha was its compiler. Hence, the name of the kosha is Amarakosha. In ancient time, when the pupil used to enter the Gurukul for the sake of study, at that time, at the commencement, they used to learn Amarkosha by heart. Even at present, the same prevails. Arya, amazed, is it possible to learn a kosha by heart? What is the advantages thereby? Teacher, oh, sure. This book is metrical composition could be chanted. Therefore, like reading the verses and subhashitas, its memorization is very easy. Here there are many synonyms for a single word. At some places, there are several different meanings of the word. Hence, by reading is our vocabulary enhances. Our memory and capacity to hold words in memory also develop. Even the pronunciation becomes flawless. Nayanaha, we too shall learn Amarkosha by heart. How many verses are there in it? Adhyapika, Upasarda Sahasram. Upasarda Sahasram means 1500. Shlokaha means verses. Santi. Tatra Trini Kandani Santi. Trini means 3. Kandani means section. Tatra Trini Kandani Santi. Upasardham Sahasram Shlokaha Santi. Means there are 1500 verses. Tatra Trini Kandani Santi. There are 3 sections. अतः त्रिकांडकोशः इति एतस्य अपरं नाम. अतः मीन्स hence. त्रिकांडकोशः, त्रिकांडकोश मीन्स कोशा ऑफ 3 सेक्शन. इति एतस्य अपरं नाम मीन्स अदर नेम. Hence, its other name is a kosha of 3 section. तथा नामालिङ्गानुशासनम् इति नाम्ना अपि विख्यातः एषः कोशः. नामालिङ्गानुशासन इति नाम्ना मीन्स नेम, अपि विख्यातः मीन्स फेमस, एषः कोशः मीन्स this dictionary. Similarly, this kosha is also famous by the name नामालिङ्गानुशासनम्. सुमेधा, नामलिङ्गानुशासनम् इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? अर्थः मीन्स मीनिंग. शब्द मीन्स वर्ड. नामलिङ्गानुशासनम् इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? मीन्स व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड नामलिङ्गानुशासनम्? अध्यापिका, टीचर, तदपि अस्य ग्रन्थस्य अपरं वैशिष्ट्यम्. तदपि अस्य ग्रन्थस्य मीन्स बुक, अपरं वैशिष्ट्यम् मीन्स मोर स्पेशालिटी. अत्र न केवलं समानार्थकशब्दाः अपितु तेषां लिङ्गनिर्देशः कृतः. अत्र मीन्स हियर न केवल नॉट ओनली समानार्थकशब्दाः मीन्स synonyms, अपितु तेषां लिङ्गनिर्देशः कृतः मीन्स जेंडर आर also mentioned कृतः. तेन भाषायाः आकलनं प्रयोगः च सुकरः भवति. तेन भाषायाः and because of that, आकलनं means comprehension, प्रयोगः means uses, सुकरः भवति become easy. तदपि अस्य ग्रन्थस्य अपरं वैशिष्ट्यम्, अत्र न केवल समानार्थकशब्दाः अपितु तेषां लिङ्गनिर्देशः कृतः. तेन सह भाषायाः आकलनं प्रयोगः च सुकरः भवति. means that too is one more speciality of the book. Here there aren't just synonyms, but their genders are also mentioned. Thereby comprehensions and uses become easy. स्वप्निल, आचार्ये, तेन वयं संस्कृतकाव्यानि नाटकानि च विनासायासं पठितुं शक्नुमः खलु? आचार्य मीन्स टीचर. तेन वयं मीन्स with it. संस्कृतकाव्यानि means Sanskrit poems. Natakani means plays. Vinasayas means effortlessly. Patitum means read. Shaknum means able. आचार्यः तेन वयं संस्कृतकाव्यानि नाटकानि च विना सायासं पठितुं शक्नुमः खलु. Teacher, with its help, indeed, shall be able to read effortlessly the poems and plays in Sanskrit. Swapnil said, Teacher, with its help, indeed, shall be able to read effortlessly the poems and plays in Sanskrit. अध्यापिका, निश्चयेन, डेफिनेटली. तर्हि इतः परं सर्वे अमरकोशस्य पठनं अवश्यं कर्तव्यम्. कर्तव्यमेव. तर्हि, so then, इतः परं, henceforth, सर्वे means all. अमरकोशस्य पठनं means study. Avashyam means must. Teacher, definitely. So then henceforth, the study of Amarkosha must be undertaken necessarily by all. Glossary. Kandani, sections. Vikhyatah, famous. Vaishishtyam, speciality. Akranam, comprehension. Vinasayasam, effortlessly. Nishchayena, definitely. Translation. Teacher, there are 1500 verses. There are 3 sections. Hence, its other name is a kosha of 3 sections. Similarly, this kosha is also famous by the name Namalinganushasanam. Sumera, what is the meaning of the word Namalinganushasanam? Teacher, that too is one more specialty of the book. Here there aren't just synonyms, but their genders are also mentioned. Thereby, comprehension and its uses become easy. Swapnil, Teacher, with its help, indeed shall be able to read effortlessly the poems and plays in Sanskrit. Teacher, definitely. So then henceforth, the study of Amarkosha must be undertaken necessarily by all. So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share the video so that others can learn, and also subscribe my channel to regular update about the course. धन्यवादः.